Is your Ninja Espresso shutting off during a brew? Lights go off, brewing stops halfway, no warning? Let's go over the top causes and how to fix it fast. Step 1. Make sure the machine isn't overheating. Brewing multiple drinks back to back can cause a thermal safety shutdown. Let the machine cool down for 10 minutes, then try again. Step 2. Check the outlet and power cord. A loose plug or power surge can interrupt brewing. Unplug and plug into a different outlet if possible. Avoid using extension cords or power strips when troubleshooting. Step 3. Look for a pod jam or misalignment. If the pod holder or portafilter is misaligned, the machine may stop mid-cycle. Open the brew head, check for blockage, and reseat everything firmly. Step 4. Clean the pod area or brew basket. Clogged puncture needles or packed grounds can increase pressure and trigger a safety cutoff. Clean the pod holder or ground basket thoroughly and run a water-only cycle to flush. Step 5. Perform a hard reset. Unplug for 60 seconds, then plug back in. This clears temporary memory and sensor issues. Still shutting off after that? You may be dealing with a thermal sensor fault or internal power issue. Support link is in the description if you need help from Ninja. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your coffee.